This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: full power accessories, a keyless entry system, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, a full-size spare tire, an anti-lock braking system, and an auxiliary power outlet. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Stop by our location at 100 Oxmoor Lane for the best deals on Ford and Lincoln vehicles. Visit our website and view our entire inventory online at www.oxmoorflm.com.